Makes you want to shop too much. That's the problem. If things look beautiful, how it makes you want to be in this area. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to get when I don't really have a lot of time to cook, but I want to have some stuff in the house. It's my favorite grocery store, Food Lion. All right, let's go grocery shopping. So they have one of my favorite things, this juice. So the thing about juice, usually I don't recommend it because a lot of times you miss out on the fiber. But with this juice in particular, you actually get 9 grams of fiber, and it's not a lot of added sugar. It's only 10 grams of added sugar. They changed the way it looks, but it's called cold pressed juice, Walk the Plant, and it's a brand by Food Line. This might be something I use to like break my fast in the morning or in the afternoon when I need a little pick-me-up. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is go straight to the produce section. It's just so many pretty colors. I don't know, it just encourages me to like be positive, eat something that's healthy, but still something that's quick. So this is really the things that I like. It's the mushroom section. So I'm between these two. And it's crazy because they're both the same price. So you can get the whole baby mushrooms or you can get the ones that are already cut. So if you really don't feel like cooking, I'll just get these because they're already cut and it's the same price. So mushrooms, because it's gonna make the food that I eat have a lot more volume without a lot of time. Okay, next on the list, the red bell peppers. It's gonna add color, it's gonna add flavor, it's gonna make the food taste good without having to think a lot about it. So I'm definitely getting this. Probably get a couple of these. Now, if you've been watching the channel, even if you haven't, I'm always gonna get onions, okay? I really love green onions. They're easier to chop. They add like a different type of flavor and they're not so strong in terms of the type of oniony flavor. So this is my go-to. If you wanna do something different, you could do red onion, white onion, yellow onion, but green onions are what I'm getting today. Other thing, I always like getting herbs because they add prettiness to the dish and it's really easy. I just gotta chop it up real quick or I just take a bunch of it and just throw it on top. This is actually Italian parsley. I always get the flat one, not the curly one. It's easier. I just like this one better. Okay, so now we're in the packaged salad section. There's a lot of different ways you can go with this. I can go spring mix, you can go green leaf lettuce, but I like to go with spinach. Get the organic baby spinach mainly because this is so easy to cook up. So if I make something like a pasta or a rice-based dish, whatever the main dish is, I could throw this in at the end and it wilts in like a minute. A little bit is like if a lot goes, a lot turns into a little bit really fast, but this is only gonna be for a few days for me. So this should be perfect. So yeah, organic spinach or just regular baby spinach. Now, growing up, I didn't really like fruit like that, especially apples, but now they have become like a mainstay for me. I love having this in a fruit bowl that I can just grab when I want to snack. The fiber from the skin, the color. So I'm definitely getting my favorite, Honey Crisp apples. I don't know about Gala. I can't stand Red Delicious. It's too crummy for me. So for me, Honey Crisp is the way to go. And one more thing I'm gonna get in the produce section is actually this area, the avocados. I'm gonna get probably just one. This makes a mean avocado toast, or if I wanna make some guacamole super fast, so gotta get this. I almost forgot a section. It's actually very important. It's my protein. Now, I know this is something a lot of people are nervous about. It's gonna be tofu. Usually people, when they get this kind, the extra, or they get the extra firm kind. I like this, but it has water in it, which can affect the texture. So, my favorite and the quicker one to make is actually this because I don't have to press it. I don't have to get rid of any liquid. It's literally already solid. Actually been the soya organic, super firm. That's the key. Super firm tofu. So definitely getting a couple of these. Okay, so we're out of the refrigerated produce section. Now we're like right outside of it. And so bananas, I like to get them when they're not quite yellow. They're like greenish almost. Once I actually eat them, they're ripe. I like to sweeten this with my oatmeal or put it on top. And you freeze it for really good smoothies. That's my favorite. So I love a banana. Or just eat it just regular like a snack. So gotta get these. And I see my favorite thing. This thing is huge. So this is a boniato. And I get this from the international section at Food Lion. It's different from an orange sweet potato. It's creamier, almost like a marshmallow flavor. I actually eat this like a dessert. So I'll roast it at the end of the night, put it in the pan, roast it with some olive oil, about 45 minutes to an hour. The skin is nice and crispy. And then it's soft on the inside. But I love this, the boniato. So if you haven't tried this, you got to come try it. Excuse me, do you guys sell shallots?
Shallots?
Yeah.
Yeah, right along there.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Thank you. Okay, now this is something I get that adds flavor. It's super quick. Sometimes I don't feel like chopping up garlic when I just don't feel like doing the things. So I get this instead. These are actually shallots. So to me, they're like a mix between an onion and garlic in terms of how the flavor is. It hits 2 birds with 1 stone. So this is definitely something I love to have. My favorite bread to get is actually sourdough bread. I wish I could bake it. I can't bake it. So instead, I get it from the store. But my favorite brand is this one, Izio. I did a chickpea sandwich cooking class. and I use this bread, and it makes all the difference. I love sourdough because it's fermented, and so that's really good for gut health. It has a lot of flavor. So a quick sandwich for lunch, avocado toast for breakfast, or like something I pair on the side for dinner. So this is my go-to. Love it, love it, love it. This is the Italian sourdough. They also have regular sourdough too. This is good. Oh wait, I didn't get my lemon. Let me go get my lemon. Now this is a cheat code most people don't really know about. They add a lot of flavor without having to add a lot of salt. So this is very vital for me when I'm trying to cook and not really think too much about things. I gotta always have some type of fresh citrus. This is like my go-to for I'm doing like a snack, seaweed. Get it in the international aisle, super tasty. It's something my daughter loves because of the saltiness without having to like rely on chips and things like that. I also use this for my chickpea and tuna salad. So if you haven't seen that recipe, make sure you check that out. Another really good go-to for me are tortilla wraps. I'll do tacos with these. I'll do quesadillas with these. I like to get this one, it's the spinach leaf, but I'll get any of them. I'll even get the smaller ones, actually. So really, my favorite are the corn tortillas, mainly because they're smaller. So I eat like 3 of these little tortillas. Mentally, it just makes me feel like I'm having more. So easy way to get my carbs in, not have to think a lot about it, especially on weeknights when I'm not trying to cook too much and do a lot before I help with my daughter's homework or whatever responsibility I have. All right, so now we're at the beans, okay? I know beans, they sound boring, but you can make them fun. I love a good cannellini bean because it's creamy. You don't have to do a lot. You can't really mess it up. But really what I use the most is garbanzo. I just try to make sure it's low sodium. Good for my chickpea salad. A roasted chickpea, it's really good. I add these to my soups, I add it to my salads, I add these to my stews. For me to get the protein in, this and my tofu are like, they're the main thing that I do. So I always have my pantry stocked up with this. So I don't have to get a lot. You might be noticing, man, you're not picking up a lot. I'm just replenishing. So these are the things I always know to get. So if I start seeing it run out, I know, all right, time to pick up some more. Now, this is my favorite thing. If I'm gonna get frozen vegetables, I'm gonna get frozen broccolis. And they have the frozen broccoli spheres. Easy to cook, you're gonna get some greens in. And because it's frozen, you actually are freezing it at its peak level of ripeness. So you don't have to worry about the food going bad in the refrigerator and feeling like you gotta cook it fast. So frozen vegetables, if you want something quick, this is the way to go. This is the way I always go. So I love, love, love frozen broccoli. Stir fry too, but really broccoli. Is there anything else I'm supposed to be hitting on? If you want a cheat code for really delicious pasta sauce without a lot of work, coconut milk. That's what I use this for. A ton. Pasta sauce, any sauce, honestly. I'm using coconut milk, so definitely gonna get this. This doesn't have anything to do with cooking. One of my favorite things to always get is LaCroix seltzer water. I love the carbonation. It helps me drink a little bit more water. So these really are my core things that I get pretty much every week or every other week. So if this was helpful for you, I'm actually starting a cook-along group on Patreon. Now this is different from my YouTube lives because instead of you watching, we're gonna be cooking together, going step by step. You can ask questions, we can figure it out. You can walk away confident with a delicious meal with very simple ingredients. So I put a link down below if you're interested in that, if you wanna be a part of the first group, because we're just getting this started and I wanna build it together. Okay, got my juice. I don't buy different things every time I go to the grocery store. That's what makes it easy for me to like go in, go out, get home. I got a cooking class I gotta go prepare for. Actually, the video for it will be right here. Hope you enjoy. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.